When survival's on the line, things can go south quickly. The RTS Rapid Deploy IFAC kit could be your lifeline when every second counts. Whether you're on the field or navigating a tough situation, this kit is designed for fast, one-handed access, allowing you or your teammate to grab the essential tools without hesitation. This isn't some bulky, overstuffed medical pouch. Every item serves a critical purpose. It includes quick clot hemostatic gauze, which halts heavy bleeding up to 5 times faster because, in an emergency, blood loss is the real threat. You also get 2 vented hyphen mini chest seals, which help keep air where it belongs if a lung is punctured. When it comes to tourniquets, RTS offers real options, not just generic straps. You can choose between the SWAT T S-Off Tactical or the trusted Cat Gen 7, so you can pick the best fit for your setup. The pouch itself is durable, compact, and built to keep everything secure, meaning no digging, no fumbling, just fast, effective action. More than just an IFAC, it's the difference between getting home or bleeding out where you stand. If you're serious about survival, this is the kit to carry. Now here's the One Tigris Conifer Canvas Tent. A rugged, all-weather hot tent designed to keep adventurers warm, even in extreme cold conditions. Crafted from durable 210 grams per square meter Terraline cotton fabric, this tent is tougher and more resilient than most, providing superior UV protection and fire resistance, making it safer around campfires. The fabric's water resistance improves with use, particularly if you're camping near water. Spacious enough for 2 people or 1 with a raised cot, it offers ample room with a 5.9-foot peak height, giving you plenty of space for your gear. The A-frame design maximizes interior room, and triangular vents ensure air circulation, even in warmer weather. In colder months, you can convert it into a hot tent using the pre-cut pipe opening and stove jack, ideal for a wood stove. The snow skirts keep the warmth in and prevent drafts, making it perfect for camping, bushcrafting, fishing, or picnicking. This tent includes everything you need: tent stakes, guy lines, a stove jack, an A-frame pole set, and a double-handled stuff sack. Weighing just 15 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry in survival situations. The Surviveware Responder is an elite tactical survival pack engineered for hardcore preppers and crisis responders. Built with a rugged waterproof shell, reinforced heavy-duty shoulder and hip straps, and zippered storage, this pack is designed to endure the harshest conditions. Its robust Velcro and MOLLE webbing system allows seamless attachment of mission-critical gear. A key advantage is the top pouch, which secures one of Surviveware's compact, high-performance first aid kits, far superior to standard kits in both functionality and efficiency. Internally, the Responder is strategically organized into 3 primary compartments: personal, food, and water, while also housing essential outliers that don't fit within sub-bags. The MOLLE system provides rapid access to a tactical folding knife with a glass breaker, glow sticks, paracord, a 2-person emergency bivvy, a LifeStraw water filter, zip ties, a multi-purpose weather radio with a built-in flashlight, duct tape, a folding splint, and storm-proof matches. critical assets for maintaining self-sufficiency in extreme situations. The personal bags are stocked with critical survival gear, including a poncho, wet wipes, hygiene items for women, ski goggles, a whistle compass combo, a face mask, a sleeping bag, and a waist bag. The food bags contain high-calorie SOS ration bars, unpleasant to eat, but designed to keep you alive in dire circumstances. Whether navigating disaster zones or operating in austere environments, the Responder is a mission-ready survival system built for those who refuse to be unprepared. The Khyber TR-550 Hybrid Mountain Warfare AR-670 is built to conquer the toughest military missions, especially in unforgiving mountain terrain. Blending the rugged reliability of classic military boots with cutting-edge technology, it delivers unmatched strength, stability, and comfort. Its specially engineered outsole provides superior grip, keeping soldiers steady on rocky slopes, snow-covered paths, and uneven ground. The water-resistant construction ensures dry feet in wet conditions, while reinforced toes and heels add extra protection against impact and wear. Designed for endurance, the TR-550 features a breathable, moisture-wicking lining that keeps feet cool and reduces fatigue during long marches. Meeting the strict AR-670 military standards, this boot is built for serious performance and durability. Whether tackling steep inclines or covering miles on foot, the Khyber TR-550 delivers the support and protection soldiers need. With its tough construction and smart design, it's an essential piece of gear for any mission in extreme terrain. The Olight Arcfeld Ultra is a compact, rugged flashlight engineered for tactical readiness and survival. Featuring a dual light system, it combines a powerful white LED with a highly visible green laser pointer, perfect for precision tasks, signaling, and self-defense in high-pressure situations. Delivering up to 1400 lumens, the LED provides exceptional short to medium range illumination, while the green laser remains visible even in daylight, making it ideal for target marking or signaling. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, the Arcfeld Ultra is built to endure harsh conditions and frequent use. Its IPX7 water resistance ensures reliable performance in rain or even brief submersion. A rechargeable battery with a USB-C charging port keeps it powered up and ready when you need it most. Designed for practicality, it features intuitive controls for effortless mode switching and laser activation. The ergonomic build and integrated pocket clip allow for easy, hands-free carry. Whether for outdoor adventures, perimeter security, or emergency preparedness, the Olight Arcfeld Ultra is an essential tool for any survivalist's kit. Meet the Blackhawk Tech Grip Holster, a premium, adaptable solution for concealed carry. Designed for secure and comfortable daily firearm storage, this holster combines durability with a slim profile for effortless concealment. Crafted from a high-quality rubberized material, the Tech Grip provides superior retention while its textured, non-slip surface grips clothing firmly, preventing unwanted movement. Unlike traditional holsters, it eliminates the need for a belt or mounting system, offering a lightweight, compact carry option. The Tech Grip accommodates various firearm sizes, ensuring versatility and convenience. Its adjustable tension screw allows users to customize retention for a smooth, quick draw when needed. Whether worn inside or outside the waistband, this holster delivers a discreet, comfortable carry experience. With its solid construction, ease of use, and dependable grip, the Blackhawk Tech Grip holster is a trusted choice among firearm enthusiasts and everyday carriers.